So, do you see that we have almost made it a trend to complain like I started my business or a brand and none of my friends bought anything? Or like my relatives didn't share my page even for once? But let me ask you a truth. If your relatives and friends are not your target audience or customers, why are you expecting them to act like they are? It's like opening up a pet store and getting upset because your friend who's allergic to cat is not getting a cat food. Like, let's not complicate. Okay, let's think about it this way. When you get a job, do you expect your friends to drive you there every day, every morning to support you or to visit your office and be along? Definitely not, because that's your responsibility. Same with business. You started it, you chose your product or service, and you identified your market. And if your close circle isn't part of that market, they're actually not obligated to buy, attend, or promote. And remember, their lack of purchase doesn't mean a lack of love. It can just mean that, or we can just interpret it like your offer isn't actually relevant to them, and that's completely okay. And here's the most fun part, we always feel and say each other like strangers are your most biggest support system. Why? Why do we feel like that? Because they are your actual target audience. I repeat, they are your actual target audience. They found value in what you're offering and they weren't buying things because they know you. They were buying because they needed what you're selling. And that's sustainable and scalable. Your business grows only when you attract people who need your product, not when you feel people are obliged to help you out. So let's stop blaming our friends and family, right? Yes, they can cheer on you, they can shop for your launch, they can wish you, but their role beyond that, it's optional, not mandatory. And if they do buy from you, it's good. That's a bonus, but not a business plan. The minute you stop expecting them to be your main customers, you will stop feeling disappointed. Like, and you will start focusing on reaching the people who actually matter for your business growth. Some people relate and some don't, and that's how it works, right? I mean, in every area of your life. So next time when you start something new, your friends or relatives may or may not be your biggest support system, and that's perfectly okay. See, support or in that matter, any affection feels best when it's natural and not forced. Remember this one particular thing. If something is built for the right audience, trust me, the right people, let it be your friends, family, or complete strangers, will always find you. Let's trust the process. Thank you so much.